What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and it's been a while since I made a print-on-demand tip video, but today me and you are going to talk, and I'm going to give you basically the one tip that I have been preaching on this channel for quite a while here, but I'm going to give it in this concise video and tell you why I think it's the most important part about making money online, especially in print-on-demand. So the main tip I want to give you guys, and you guys probably have heard this tip before, but I want to reiterate it and trying to get it to drive into your skull, just metaphorically, of course. But the tip is that you need to be consistent, okay? No matter what you're doing, whether it be YouTube or print on demand, consistency is what's going to get you over the line of, not doing so well to doing a lot better. The hard part about consistency is being consistent when things aren't going quite as nice as you would hope for. And being consistent is pretty much like upping your luck chances. The more you are consistent with something, the more chances you give yourself to be lucky. And whether it be making print-on-demand designs or making a YouTube video, I think applying this to making money online is very important. I'm not going to make this video 10 minutes long about me talking about consistency, but I want to give you guys some examples of my consistency and how it has paid off for me. So the first example I'm going to give is this YouTube channel. You can go ahead and look, and pretty much back in September when I started this channel, I was posting daily. At the end of September, I started posting on this channel, and I was posting every day. But for the first probably 50 or 60 uploads, majority of these uploads were duds. They were maybe 5 to 20 views on a good day. And that's okay, but if I did stop there when I didn't see any results, the consistency is what really got me over the line. So if I did stop, I wouldn't have seen where I am now, almost at 4,000 freaking subscribers, which is just crazy. But consistency, just keep and doing the thing until it works, essentially, paid off. It's not always going to pay off this way. You do have to account other things into consistency. You have to be persistent with consistency, but you also have to be paying attention to what you're doing. You can't just blindly do the same thing over and over again and expect really good results. You have to be trying to get better and improve yourself or improve what you're doing even when you're being consistent. So I noticed another example when I was making t-shirt designs that a lot of the time I was being consistent. For the first 6-7 months I had 2,000 plus designs, but there was a big fault in that consistency of 20 designs a day where a lot of those designs were pretty crap. And this isn't a terrible thing that I have a bunch of crap designs. I'm fine with it. I learned a lot making those designs. I learned tricks on how to actually make really good designs, and I learned how I can be faster with making higher quality designs. So now I do 5 to 10 designs a day, much higher quality. And if I hadn't learned that lesson of making 20 meh designs a day, I wouldn't be, where I'm at now. And I have found a niche, and now I can basically scale it and expand it because I am knowledgeable about how to be efficient and how to do things. But consistency all plays a huge part in this, because I could have given up when I realized that I made such a big mistake in making 2,000 okay designs and it wasn't worth any of my time. Instead, I readjusted my plan and I stayed consistent with it, and now I'm making 100, 200, 300 bucks a month just from those simple t-shirt designs, and that's growing a lot more now that I am back on Merch by Amazon, and that I'm also implementing these strategies and the things I've learned since I've started print on demand 9 months ago. So that's really all I got to say for this video. Be consistent and adjust your plan, or maybe not your plan, but adjust what you're doing to fit a better alternative or a better model. Sometimes you might not be doing the right thing, but you got to figure out what's not right for yourself a lot of the time. You can't always go look at other people and ask them exactly what to do. Figuring things out by yourself is a great way to learn, because those are going to be bigger mistakes probably, and you're not going to forget them. Nothing wrong with watching some YouTube videos and getting direct advice from someone, but ultimately the thing that's going to make you learn the most is just doing things yourself. So in my opinion, you should get up and get to it and stop watching my video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's been your friend Jack, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace out.